Hey there, my brothers and sisters, sons and daughters. How are you this week? I hope you had a fabulous week and are more tongue aware. If not, keep practicing and try to visualize your tongue. Today we're gonna talk about cheeks. And cheeks actually is a great thing that supports circular breathing. And the cheeks are, I think they're not a muscle, but it's just basically skin. And the muscle that controls it is the sides of the lips. With the lip we're talking about, that we can make pressure there. So if you have pressure there, your cheeks are flat. But if you release them and blow up your cheeks, then that's what we need to start doing. And I want you to sort of see them as balloons that you can inflate and make smaller again. And there's actually a feeling of air pressure, and I want you to inflate them as much as possible so you can feel the air pressure. Inflate them as much as possible without changing the tone. Okay, so I'll take you over to this beautiful didgeridoo made by Dubravko Lapijn. Nice little E, so I'm super happy. Okay, so my cheeks, my sides of my lips are tight, and then I'm gonna release them and blow up my cheeks. Here we go. And the air pressure is basically where the laughing line is. Just here you have the muscle, and then just behind the muscle there you can feel the air pressure. So I want you to do it as slow as possible, so controlled, very controlled, out, blowing up, back to flat. Here we go. And then, if that works, you're gonna do it faster and faster and faster. And then it's gonna make a whap sound. I'll show you. And that whap sound we also did with the tongue, like a wee, wee, wee. With the oi, 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 wee, 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 wee. And now it's supported by the cheeks, so now it's actually more powerful. So that's one thing that you can do with your cheeks. And it's a great exercise also to work that muscle, make it stronger. So it's a strong muscle. If you saw me playing, then you saw that cheek movement going, hopefully, otherwise you're blind. It's not a very strong muscle, so you have to train it to get stronger and stronger. Okay, so another thing that is super nice about the cheeks, not only the whap sound, I call it, you can change harmonics. And we did that with the tongue. But now we're gonna place the tongue at a E. This is actually representing my tongue. Normally it's sort of here positioned laying on my jaw, but now I'm gonna make it go up, and the tip of my tongue is touching the palate, just behind where the palate goes a bit round. So my tongue is gonna be on the and then I'm gonna play around with air pressure in my cheeks. And I can actually feel air pressure more to the back, more to underneath, more to the front. Actually, I can change one, make one big and the other one flat, and then change around. A lot of funny faces, so that's great. That will change the harmonics. So I'm taking you over to the Didge again. Here we go. The tongue on the E. So you probably heard the harmonics change, but my tongue was completely on that all the time, and it was air pressure changing in my cheeks that was causing the changing of the harmonics. Okay, so that's the cheek story. Work on that, and then next week we're gonna look at the jaw. You can already sort of look at that to see if you can make your jaw go up and down, and then we're gonna work on it a little bit next week. So I hope you have a great week exploring the cheeks and having fun with this muscle. Well, it's not a muscle, balloons, these balloons inside your mouth. Okay, have fun, my sisters and brothers, daughters and sons. And I hope to see you next week. I'm super happy with comments. I'm getting some comments, and if you're a little bit stuck, let me know. I'm happy to help with any questions, and see you next week.